Welcome to e-learning center of the Doon Public School, Prayagraj. I am Manish Shukla. Today I will explain the subject science, class 8th, topic crop production and management. Before explaining the chapter, I would like to request you all that please like, subscribe and press bell icon of the YouTube channel of the school so you can get notifications of a new video. In this chapter, we will discuss crop plants, agriculture practices, improving soil, food from animals. The branch of science that deals with growing plants for human use is called agriculture. Cultivation of crops and rearing of animals have undergone tremendous advancement. When a large number of plants are grown at the same place for food is called a crop. Crops have been classified in two categories: A. Kharif crops, B. Rabi crops. Agriculture practices. In this, there are some subtopics. First, preparation of soil. First step is loosening and turning of the soil. Plowing or tilling makes the soil loose and porous. Plowing uproots weeds. Water drains easily and this helps root to breathe. Fertilizers and manures can be mixable. The process of making soil surface even and smooth is called leveling. Second subtopic, selection and sowing of seeds. Selection of good quality seeds is very important so that yield is good. Seeds are sown by traditional methods or by the seed drill instruments. In traditional methods, farmers scatter the seeds in the field, and by instruments there are many instruments for sowing the seed. Now, improving soil fertility. First subtopic is natural methods. In this field, follow crop rotation, multiple cropping is practiced. Second, adding manures. Manure is mainly decomposed animals dung and plants materials. Applying chemical fertilizers. Farmers use chemical fertilizers that mainly contain nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium etc. Irrigation. Irrigation means supply of water to the crops. Water is essential for proper growth and development of crop. In this we practice traditional methods like chain pump, rahat etc. Some modern methods are also being practiced like sprinkle system, drip irrigation etc. Next topic is harvesting, threshing and winnowing. Once the crop is mature, it is harvested. Next, the grain is separated from crop. This process is called threshing. The process of separating grains from chaff is called winnowing. Now, food from animals. Numbers of eat items like milk, eggs, meat, honey, and fish are obtained from animals. Rearing of animals on large scale is called animal husbandry. Animals that provide us milk are known as milch animals. Rearing of birds for eggs and meat is known as poultry farming. Rearing of fish in ponds and tanks is known as pisciculture. Rearing of bees is called apiculture. Now short answer questions. Students, please write down these questions in your notebook so that you can study at home. Question first, define agriculture. The branch of science dealing with production of food crop is agriculture. Question second, what is a crop? Large number of plants grown at same field for food is called crop. Question third, what is farming implements? Answer, agriculture practices are carried successfully are known as farming implements. Question 4. What is the role of soil in agriculture? Answer. Soil anchors the root of plants, provide nutrients and water, and also provides air to the roots. Question 5. What is a plow? Answer. Instruments used for plowing is called plow. Now long answer question. Question number first is, what is difference between Kharif crops and Rabi crops? Answer. Kharif crops are sown during beginning of monsoon, that is June July, in the month of June and July, and harvested at the end of monsoon, that means September and October. These crops require a lot of water, for example paddy, soybean, maize, etc. Rabi crop are sown during beginning of winter in October and December months and harvested at start of summer in the month of March and April. For example, wheat, gram, mustard, etc. Question second. What are advantage of plowing? Answer. The process of loosening and turning of soil is called plowing or tilling. Plowing makes soil loose and porous. This helps roots to breathe. Second point. Water drains easily in loosened soil. Point third. This helps microorganisms and earthworms present in soil to make the soil fertile. Point 4. Plowing uproots weeds. Third, what is importance of water in irrigation? Answer. Water is essential for crops and plants as point first, germination of seeds does not take place without water. Point 2, roots fail to develop in dry soil. Point third, nutrients cannot move up from soil without water. Point fourth, it protects plants from frost and hot air. Question 4. What are the different kind of storage facilities that the different agriculture products need? Answer. Different agriculture products need different kind of storage facilities. Vegetables and fruits are preserved in cold storage in which minimum temperature is maintained. Large amount of grains are stored in godowns are called granaries. The granaries are fumigated to get rid of the pests. Now exercise. By pausing the video, you can write these exercises in your copy. In this, fill in the blanks, take the correct option, true, false. Thanks.